How to send camera roll photo or video as the snaps on Snapchat. Launch a Snapchat app. Make sure you sign into your account. Proceed by tapping on the memories icon at bottom left corner of your screen. And now simply choose camera roll at top right. So these are all your camera roll photo or videos. You can easily swipe and look for recent screenshots, Facebook, Snapchat and my albums and many more. Here you have different options. You can choose from any of the album given here and then choose a photo or video. Suppose if this is the photo that I want to send as a snap, you can easily edit this photo and then tap on send to at bottom right corner of your screen. Now choose any one of the friends here and then tap on the arrow at bottom right. So in this way you have successfully sent a photo or video as a snaps from your camera roll on a Snapchat. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.